Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and let's get started. In today's video, I will show you how to log out on Netflix. So to do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, choose your profile. And here, choose and click on My Netflix. And from here, you have to click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And as you can see, there is the last option that says sign out. If you click on that option, you will log out from your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video, and see you in the next one.